Hey guys, it's Jackie over at Stain Foo, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to clean a Guinness Stout spill / stain from your carpet. St. Paddy's Day is here, which usually means you see a lot of Guinness and other Irish drinks, so I thought it'd be a good time to share with you just in case if this happens to you. So here we go. I made a spill here, and if you happen to make a bigger spill than this, I'll share with you the weighted towel method at the end, which is what we'd recommend for large spills. So the first thing we'll want to do is blot up the spot as much as we can, and we recommend using white cotton terry towels or color fast towels or paper towels. Essentially any type of towel that won't transfer any color back into your carpet. And fun fact, Guinness created the famous Guinness Book of World Records, if you didn't know, which for some reason I never put the two and two together. So as you can see, just blotting up the excess liquid took care of a lot of that spot. So next you'll want to take your stained foo, shake it up, and then spray the area and make sure you cover the whole area. And after spraying, you'll want to agitate the product using something like a metal spoon, or if you have one of our carpet agitators, you can use that as well. We recommend working from the outside in just so that the spill stain doesn't spread out. And I'm just demonstrating how to use either the spoon or the carpet agitator, but basically we're just trying to get the product into those carpet fibers. So after this, we'll let the stained foo sit for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to work its magic. Okay, now it's been about 10 minutes. We will go ahead and blot it up. Again, using a white cotton terry towel, color fast towel, paper towel, whatever works for you. And basically you'll just keep blotting until you get it all out. That looks pretty good to me, but there might be a slight stain here. So if you happen to have a pretty large spill or the stain is still visible, try the weighted towel method. What you'll do is repeat the steps, so treat the areas again. And agitate the product into the carpet fibers. And then you'll want to take a few more white towels and stack them on top like this. And then find something to weigh it down with, something heavy like a book or paperweight. Here we're using a heavy embosser that we have laying around. So whatever works for you, just weigh it down. And we'll let that sit for a few hours and maybe until the next day and check the results. Okay, so it's been a bit and let's check the results. Our stain wasn't too bad, but just wanted to share with you the full steps, and the stain should have wicked into those white towels that you put down. There you have it. That's how you clean up a Guinness spill stain. Thanks for watching.